it's me, Tom, and I guess we're doing an unboxing video today. Sorry about the lighting, and there's not music in the background. I guess I won't do music. I just won't. So, I'm going to show you the box, then we hold still. I'm trying. Sheesh, Tom. Anyway, let's get on to the box. So this is a Walmart exclusive. Pets in the City. There's nothing on the back. But I'm gonna grab scissors and then I will open it. Wait a second. Are these new Littlest Pet Shops? Yes, Tom, they're new Littlest Pet Shops. But. Okay, so let's move the camera. Flip it. Walmart exclusive. Okay, I'm gonna cut it open magically. Wow, that worked fast. Let's open this. Magic. Okay, so there's this cute little zebra thing. Hold on, let me just. I hate these new heads. But she's kind of cute. I like the patterns. She's just like very subtle. And this weird looking elephant thing. Like, it looks like an anteater. I'm sorry, Hasbro, but you're making crappy toys now. A shovel. And a bucket. Whoa. By now you're watching the video at 2 minutes and 15 seconds, I think. Wait. 20 seconds. So let's just make this a 3-minute video, and I'll just keep on rambling on and on and on and on and on and on. How about we look at my background? I'm probably going to use this scene, or some of my scenes in LPS Insider, but I don't really know yet. Come on, 44 seconds. I'm just going to keep on rambling. Ooh, it's almost over. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and comment if you liked it. Please comment if you love Tom. Please.